This is a destructive storm for Bridge Creek, Newcastle, Norman, and more. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Tuttle, Goldsby, Bridge Creek, Stanley Draper Lake, and southwestern Lake Thunderbird. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across central Oklahoma. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected.